Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English lesson. My name is Emma, and I'm so happy to see you again today.
Hi, friends. I'm Jake. How are you today? I hope you are very well. Today's lesson is fun and easy.
Yes, very easy. Today we will learn 4 small but very important words. These words help you point at things.
Point at things? Like this? I am pointing with my finger now.
Exactly, Jake. When we point, we use special words. The words are this, that, these, and those.
This, that, these, those. 4 words. Sounds simple. But Emma, what is the difference?
Great question. Let me show you. Listen carefully, everyone. Jake, please hold your pen.
Okay, I have my pen. It's right here in my hand. Very close to me.
Perfect. Because the pen is close to you, you say, "This is my pen." This. For one thing, close to you.
This is my pen. Got it. So, this means one thing, and it's near me.
Yes. Now look over there. There is a chair on the other side of the room. The chair is far from us.
I see the chair. It's far away. So I say, that is a chair?
Brilliant, Jake. That is a chair. We use that for one thing, but far from us.
Okay, so this is near, and that is far. Easy. But what about these and those?
These and those are for many things. More than one. These is for many things near you. Those is for many things far from you.
Ah, I understand. One thing near. This. One thing far. That. Many things near. These. Many things far. Those.
Wonderful summary. Now let's hear a little conversation. Listen and try to understand.
Emma, what is this?
This is a book. It's a very nice book. I like this book.
And what is that, on the table over there?
That is my bag. My black bag. I put my keys in that bag.
I see. And these? What are these in my hand?
Those are pens. Wait. Sorry. These are pens. You are holding them, so they are close to you.
Yes, these are pens. 3 pens in my hand. Red, blue, and black.
And those, on the shelf far away? What are those?
Those are books. Many books on the shelf. Maybe 10 books.
Excellent. Did you hear, everyone? This book, that bag, these pens, those books. Let's explain more.
Emma, I want to make sure I understand. Can I try some sentences?
Of course, Jake. Please try.
Okay. This is my phone. I am holding it. So, this is correct because the phone is in my hand.
Perfect. This is my phone. Singular and near.
Now, that is my phone. Wait. Is that right if my phone is in my hand?
No, that's a small mistake. If the phone is in your hand, it's close, so we say, "This is my phone," not, "That is my phone."
Ah, I see my mistake. Thank you, Emma. So, that is only for far things. Let me try again. That is a chair, over there by the window.
Yes, perfect now. That is a chair. Now try with these.
These are my pens. I have 2 pens here. These are my pens.
Lovely. And those.
Those are bags. I see many bags far away in the shop.
Wonderful. Everyone, did you notice? With this and that, we say is. With these and those, we say are. Because they are many.
Good point, Emma. This is. That is. These are. Those are.
Repeat with me, everyone. This is a book.
This is a book.
That is a chair.
That is a chair.
These are pens.
These are pens.
Those are bags.
Those are bags. Great practice.
Now let's have another small conversation. Imagine we are in a classroom together.
Emma, is this your book?
Yes, this is my book. It's a small English book. I love this book.
And that? Is that your phone, on the chair?
Yes, that is my phone. My phone is on that chair near the door.
Okay. And these pens on the table? Are these your pens?
No, those are not my pens. Wait, these are on the table next to me, so I should say, these. Sorry, these are not my pens. They are Jake's pens.
Yes, these are my pens. Thank you, Emma. And those bags on the floor far away?
Those are the students' bags. Many bags on the floor. Those are not our bags.
Great. Now I have a question for our students. Can you point at a book near you and say, "This is a book"? Try it.
Yes, please try at home. Look around you. Find a book. Find a pen. Find a phone. Find a bag. Find a chair.
And say, "This is a book. This is a pen. This is a phone. This is a bag. This is a chair."
Now let's look closely at our 5 vocabulary words today.
Word number 1. Book. A book has many pages with words. We read a book.
This is a book. That is a book. These are books. Those are books. Right, Jake?
Exactly. Word number 2. Pen. We write with a pen. A pen has ink inside.
This is a pen. That is a pen. These are pens. Those are pens.
Word number 3. Phone. We use a phone to call our friends and family. Maybe you are listening to this lesson on your phone right now.
Yes, maybe. This is my phone. That is your phone. These are our phones. Those are their phones.
Word number 4. Bag. A bag is for carrying things. Books, pens, phones, they all go in a bag.
This is a bag. That is a bag. These are bags. Those are bags.
And word number 5. Chair. We sit on a chair. Are you sitting on a chair right now?
I am. This is my chair. That is Jake's chair. These are our chairs. Those are the students' chairs.
5 simple words. Book, pen, phone, bag, chair. Use them every day.
Now let's review everything together. I will ask Jake some questions, and you can answer at home too.
I'm ready, Emma. Ask me.
Jake, what is this in my hand? It's small and you read it.
That is a book. Oh wait, it's in your hand, near you. So you say, "This is a book." From me, it's, "That is a book."
Yes, perfect. Position is important. Next. I have many pens here, close to me. What do I say?
You say, "These are pens." These, because many and near you.
Excellent. Now, far away on that chair, there is a phone. What do I say?
You say, "That is a phone." One phone, far away.
Wonderful. And finally, far across the room, I see many bags. What do I say?
Those are bags. Many bags, far away.
Brilliant, Jake. Everyone, please remember. This for one near, that for one far, these for many near, those for many far.
And remember the verb, this, and, that, use, is. These, and, those, use, are.
Practice today. Look at every book, pen, phone, bag, and chair in your home. Point and speak.
Speaking out loud is the best way to learn. Don't be shy.
Well, that is the end of our lesson today. You did wonderfully, everyone.
I'm so proud of you. This lesson was about pointing at things, and now you can do it in English.
In our next lesson, lesson number 4, We will learn about numbers from 1 to 10, and how to ask, how many?
Yes. How many books? How many pens? How many chairs? It's going to be fun.
Please subscribe and come back tomorrow. Goodbye, everyone.
Bye bye, friends. See you in the next lesson. Take care.